tell me when. Alright, 2009 SPX baseball. Here we go. So, do you want to save this for last? Feels
Sure.
very thin, like an autograph. So, half for you, half for me.
You go
Okay.
first.
Base.
I can't open it.
No. 21st anniversary, 20th anniversary. Joe DiMaggio card. It's nice.
Base, 20th anniversary.
Alright, got something in this pack. And it's a Manny Ramirez Trading Places jersey.
Okay, Josh.
Red Sox, Dodgers.
Base,
duel.
base, here we go. Mark Teixeira jersey. And base.
Got something here. Oh, nice patch. Winning Materials patch. Miguel Cabrera, number to 99. 2 colors. That's like 3 per case, I think.
Base, 20th anniversary. Base, base.
Okay, and game jersey of Kosuke Fukudome. Not numbered.
Joe DiMaggio, 64, 425, and all base. All base.
Oh, rookie autograph of Matt Sopo, number to 99.
And 28th anniversary, and the rest are all base.
Base.
I got something. Flashback Fabrics, Orlando Cabrera, dual jersey, and all base.
And a dual jersey of Jonathan Papelbon and Mariano Rivera with a nice pinstripe.
20th anniversary, and the rest are all base. Base, Joe DiMaggio, 55, 425, and that's it. And then the buyback. And it's...
Oh, it's all bent up. Did we...
Harmon Killebrew, auto.
Yeah, but it's all bent down the middle. Did you, when you were opening it, did you bend it?
Okay.
So, it's a good box. Thanks for watching.